me hook you up with a product that is going to change your whole skincare game. That's some period, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hope. On this channel we do all things beauty, we do product reviews, and then we talk about personal growth. And if that seems like what you're interested in, smash the subscribe button. Don't even think about it twice. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, I hope you're subscribed and stay subscribed, because on this channel we do all of the things that you love. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be reviewing a product. Yes, it is a product review, and I'm super duper excited about this product. I've been using this product for some time now, but then I don't know why I've been lazy to shoot this video. Like each time I've been shooting other videos, yeah, but each time I just say let me shoot this video, I'll just be tired. So now, like, no, those chains must be broken. I need to talk to my people about this beautiful product. And now the name of the product is this
O-Series.
I don't know if it's O series or O series. It is the O series recovery oil. Guys, this oil is so if you like to see how this product works, you might want to watch this video till the end. Please just follow me gradually, small follow me. Wow, jump right into the video. Okay guys, so this O series, I don't know, I'm always having problem with pronouncing this O series. I don't know, whatever. Well, this recovery oil right here is should I tell you guys, it is super amazing. I won't even lie. Let me just go straight to the point, because I don't want to waste your time on this video. Story time. Let me tell you how I got this product. I was looking for the bow oil, the original bow oil, because bow oil has two types that I know. There's this one that people say is the original one, and there's this other one that I've tried to that is okay. So they are both okay. I've tried two of the bow oils, but the other one that people call the original, I wasn't consistent when I used it years back, about 6 years ago. So I was just using it anyhow. So I was now looking for which of the oils would I get. I've used some oils in the past that, yes, are really nice, like the bow oil. Yes, it was nice. I used one other one called the rescue oil. It was nice. So it was really my first time trying the recovery oil. It's in a 100 ml bottle. This is it. This is what it looks like. So this is actually my first time trying it out, and I was very skeptical. I can't even lie. I bought this oil for 2,000 naira, and which is quite cheaper than the 60 ml bow oil that I wanted to buy. So this one, I got it. It was actually the seller that recommended this one to me, because she didn't have bow oil. So when she was telling me I should get this recovery oil, I was like, oh, is it because you don't have bow oil? That's why I want to push this one to me. So she told me that I should go ahead with this one. I'm going to love it. So it was my first time, even though I've been hearing about it, I've been seeing it here and there. It was my first time trying it. And guys, I won't even lie. Let me show you what the product looks like before I go further. And let me tell you one of the things that attracted me, because I went straight to the ingredient list. Before I buy any product, I'll go and check the ingredients. If the ingredient does not look inviting, I'll just drop it. Even though you preach from now to tomorrow, you can't come and sell nonsense to me. So one of the things that attracted me to this product, attracted this product to me, whichever one, is the fact that it had sweet almond oil, it has rosemary leaf oil, it has lavender oil, it has soybean oil, it has lemon peel oil, it has vitamin E, and it has the almighty retinol, vitamin A, and other wonderful ingredients. Now, you've heard all the plenty things it has. It is written there in the botanical words, and then they actually put their meanings there, which are all of these oils that I've mentioned. I can't mention the botanical words, they are too long. So straight to the point, the oils, combination of oils in this product is super. That was what attracted me. So I said, okay, let me go give it a try. It has a list of nice oils that I know about, and it has retinol, it has vitamin E. I'm like, okay, it can't be that bad, guys. That is how I started using it. So let me tell you what the manufacturer says about this oil. It says The oil360 recovery oil has been specially formulated to help minimize the appearance of stretch marks, scars, blemishes, and uneven skin tone, suitable for all skin types. Gently massage the required amount onto the affected areas. For best result, use twice a day. Can also be used as a bath soak by adding a couple of drops to a running water. So I used this product only as an occlusive for my lotions. That is the way I have applied this so far. This is what it looks like. You can see I'm almost out. Like I said, let me reserve this tiny one to come and show you people, because I was tempted to finish this oil. In fact, I've not been using it for some days now because I've not shot this video, even though I'm going to be repurchasing it. So straightforward to, I am going to be repurchasing it. But then I said, let me show you guys what the product looks like before I go repurchase it. This is what it looks like, and this is the color of what is inside, the content. And I love the packaging as well. It's nothing fantastic, but I like it. It's fine. And then this is it. You can see it's very lightweight, very lightweight. It looks like water safe. Very lightweight. So it sinks. You can see it's even dripping. It sinks straight into the skin. So I haven't been using it for some time now because I wanted to make a review. I didn't want to finish it before I make a review. And then I'm expecting some of my skincare supplies that are going to come in very soon. So since I haven't got another one, I said let me keep this one so I can show you guys. So you can see how it goes straight into the skin without wasting much time. It is very fast absorbing. So I started using this product. If you guys remember or go back to the video I made on the Vaseline intensive care lotion, that was when I started using this product. In fact, I started using it that very day I made the review of the Vaseline intensive care. And when I added this recovery oil to it as an occlusive, oh my god, my skin changed. I don't know why I didn't even take any pictures or videos to come show you guys. Honestly, sometimes I just use this product without expecting too much, and it's when I start seeing the effect of it that I begin to regret why I didn't take previous pictures and all of that. Including this oil as an occlusive actually helped boost the effect of that lotion. I won't even lie, I did not get darker after I used it. Even though it's not a lightening product, I was just glowing. My skin tone balanced. Not until I went to use one year product like that. I'm not going to come and review it here because I don't even have the energy for that product. But I've abandoned it on one side. Not until I went to use that product that gave me, darkened my hand and made my skin dry again. This oil has actually been the holy grail in my skincare. It is super inexpensive, and it does more than what it even claims. Honestly, it does so much. It says here that it helps to improve the appearance of stretch marks, scars, improve skin tone, rehydrating, and maintains elasticity of the skin. I don't know about the stretch marks, honestly. I didn't focus my attention on that because the whole idea was just to glow my skin, to bring back moisture into my skin. So yes, it is really rehydrating. It did rehydrate my skin. It hydrates my skin. It actually did help in improving my skin tone as well. I can't even lie, because a product I felt was going to darken me actually did not darken me. In fact, it improved my skin tone. It now made my skin very soft with the help of this. So it also maintains elasticity of skin. Yes, it did, because of course if your skin is hydrated, you feel, and then I began to feel my skin was healthier. I don't know, but that was how I felt. So for it to say it maintains the elasticity of skin, and I felt the way that I felt when I was using it, then it really actually works. So this product, if you're someone who uses bowel oil and you cannot lay your hands on bowel oil, you can use this recovery oil. Honestly, if you ask me to rate between this and bowel oil, I really cannot say which is better, because I have not used bowel oil recently. But this one right now, I won't even lie, it is super good. And again, it is even actually very inexpensive compared to the bowel oil. I mean, why will I have to buy bowel oil with a difference of 1,000 naira, which is like $2, when I can actually save that $2 on this one? So this actually equivalent to about $4 if you're not in Nigeria. I don't know how much is sold on Amazon. So it's a product developed in the UK, and I think for a product this good, price is actually very good for me. I do not regret buying this product, and I advise that if you want to include oils into your skincare, or you want to have that maintain that glowy skin, that hydrated and fine skin, just go for this oil. I'm not even overhyping this oil because that is exactly how it worked on my skin. If it didn't work, they are not paying me to do this review. Nobody is giving me a penny, and I'm not even selling the product, maybe except I decide to go and buy and start selling because of people that will be asking me, oh, why don't you sell this product so that we can patronize you, blah blah blah. That's what some of my friends says behind the scenes, those ones that watch me, and I really appreciate all of you all. I thank you guys. So I did not use this oil on my face. I applied it on my face like on 3 occasions, and I don't like how my face felt the following day. I don't know if it's this product or if it was other concoctions I was putting on my face, but honestly I did not continue. I discontinued after the third trial. So if you've used it on your face and it worked well for your face, please comment down below and tell me how it worked, if it was good or not. So I feel like if you have an acne prone skin, I wouldn't advise you to put this on your facial skin. Lately I don't understand my face. My face has become very hydrated that even sometimes now if I put oils, it will just, by the following day I'll see one pimple on my face. So I don't know exactly what is going on until I'm sure I'm going to come and update you guys. So but then this I applied on my face. I don't know if it's this one. Honestly, I'm not very sure. I'm going to try again, maybe on my second use when I buy, repurchase it again. I don't know if it's this product, but I would just advise you, if you have an acne prone skin, not to use it on your face. But overall, this is a good product. If you ask me, Hope, will you buy it again? Oh yes, I will buy it. I will buy it plenty times. I'll buy it over and over again because I'm going to be using this product a whole lot in my skincare because I love it. I love it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do well to smash the subscribe button. If you like this video, if you know in your heart, deep down in your heart, but I like her everything she's saying in this video, and you have not subscribed, my God will visit you with millions. So subscribe. Subscribe. I really do appreciate all of your support, and please just support this growing channel. It won't take a second to subscribe, and it's free of charge. If you like my personality and you want to be seeing me, just hit the subscribe button. It is free. Except you don't like me. If you don't like me, I can't force you. I mean, who wouldn't like this sweet personality? Anyways, I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.